Hi guys, welcome back again to my daily vlog. This is the day 16 and I'm documenting my entrepreneur journey. Exactly my journey, not the entrepreneur journey, all of the journey. I share everything what I have done today, what I have done the whole day. I share everything. And if you don't know me, I am 24 years old engineering student and trying to build my own brand, own business and sharing all of the things, all of the details, what I do, what I try to do, what I fail, what I able to do, everything I share in this channel. And this is like a uh, personal archive or a personal diary video documentation, and I'm just sharing this in raw format so that you can get a clear cut idea what a entrepreneur faces in his journey, all over the in the journey of entrepreneur. So I'm not fluent in English because English is not my native language. I'm Bengali and Bangla is my native language, but I'm trying to fluent in English because English is necessary to be a businessman or to do international business or something like that. So today I have done so many things because I have made 20 science short scripts, and this is insane. I am impressed on my work, not on the quality but quantity. Not only 20 plus, probably 24 scripts, and I have a plan to short at least 5 or 6 videos tonight. It's 2 5 a.m. 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. and I have done a lot more things today because I have seen so many tutorials about YouTube algorithm, and uploaded some of my old videos, course lecture. This is my tech channel, and today I haven't uploaded my shorts. Again, I have missed another day. I don't know, because when I finished the today's editing video, it's 11 p.m. So if I upload this video, this will not get views at all, but the video is so important, and the content is important. It can be go viral if I upload it tomorrow, and I have used a lot of time, more than 5 or 6 hours to edit this video. That's why I haven't upload this video today. I have a plan to upload this in tomorrow, and now I am uploading some of my old lecture. It takes time. It is taking so many time. It's past have been past 1 or 2 hours, and still it's uploading because the video length is so long. It's 5 or 6 hours, and the Premiere Pro is working. My PC is just fucking shit because the Premiere Pro is running, Filmora is running, and it's uploading 5 or 6 videos at a time. That's why it's struggling to do all of the work, and the Chrome tab is 30 plus Chrome tabs are open, so it's very difficult for my PC to survive in this kind of situation. I have only 16 GB RAM, and I have a plan to update this to 32 GB and 2 more stick, 8 GB stick, and add a SSD of 5 and 5 6. I don't know what is the actual size of this SSD, M.2 SSD, because I have 250 GB SSD and I have 7 TB HDD because I need a lot more space because of this lecture are so heavy. They are 20-30 GB long, and I have to upgrade my storage in next 6 or 7 months. So that's it. That's all for today. That's it. That's all for today. Hopefully see you soon. And I'm so happy. I am not depressed. I'm doing so well today. So that's it. That's all for today. Hopefully see you soon. And remember the one thing: never ever give up. And the most important thing I want to see you in. Bye.